Jordan with Marlin Steel, and today I'm showing you one of our heavy-duty, high-quality products, our mesh basket with handles. The model number is 07001A-31. The material we use for this rack is 304 stainless steel electropolished. Now check out how beefy this basket is. It weighs 8 pounds. And just by picking this up, you can feel the quality and the weight of it. This is no imported basket. I know that this is sturdy American quality. This is 100% fabricated here in the United States. Check out these welds. They are made by robots using medium frequency welding, 250,000 watts. These welds will not fail you. Our basket is 18 inches in length, 18 inches in width, and 9 inches in height. Heads up, the handles are made of a fat diameter, so it lasts a long time, making them very robust and are 12 inches. This basket weighs 8 pounds, or for my friends overseas in Canada and Mexico, 3.63 kilograms. The mesh in this basket has 4 openings per linear inch. The robust quality that is ideal for cleaning, degreasing, ultrasonic cleaning, curing, and material handling for chemical baths, heat treating, and cryogenics. Each basket stacks so that parts on the inside don't get crushed. The sidewalls right here create a solid barrier to prevent parts from getting crushed or scratched. If you need a tighter mesh or any changes to optimize the basket in your facility, we can make it for you. We can make carts that will ferry these baskets around so you have less material handling. Hit me up if you are interested in custom. My email address is sales@marlinwire.com. I will ask a couple of questions to understand your fit, form, and function, and then bring my engineers to help create a detailed print for your custom project. 20% of our team are degreed mechanical or chemical engineers. Thanks for joining me, and look forward to providing you great USA quality. I think this mesh basket with handles is a win for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.marlinwire.com.